Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 367 different strategies with 118 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 263 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,040 indicators, with 432 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says, new and profitable editors pick TradingView indicator. And so we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this new indicator. I wouldn't really call it a new indicator, really, per se. It is an editor's pick indicator, but I believe it's been around for quite some time now. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the average force indicator. That's the one that is the editor's pick. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We'll leave it on the default settings. Looks like this right here. Now this strategy here was tested over quite a few different pairs and time frames and so on in the source video, and it did rather well. And it's always curious to know whether or not it will hold up in a little bit different of a testing environment. I do feel like sometimes when you set up an indicator to do a strategy test in TradingView, the results can be kind of iffy sometimes. There's just some problems with TradingView's indicator testing or strategy testing. And in this particular case, I believe that they use an indicator to achieve it. And so that might also have some different results. And so that's why we're going to go ahead and test it and see what we can get. And so the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the EMA. This is going to be the exponential moving average, or moving average exponential. This one right here is just their standard moving average. Go ahead and click on that, add it to the screen. Jump into the settings, change the length to 200, and you can do whatever you want with the style. I left it on blue, and I bumped up the line weight just a little bit to make it a tad bit easier to see. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ATR bands indicator. It's going to be the second one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And once again, we'll jump into the settings of this. Under the inputs, you're going to change the multiplier upper to 2. Multiplier upper or lower, to 2 as well. And the style, again, you can do whatever you want. I left the style just the way it is. And so click OK, and everything should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we are looking for a price to be trading below the 200 period moving average. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look down to the average force indicator, and we want a purple bar to appear like this right here. And so it's quite small. If I zoom in a little bit more, you can see it's a tad bit larger there, but definitely a purple bar that appears right there. And so once those two line up, that will be the signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right here. What we're going to do is we're going to set the stop at this upper green line right here, pretty much right where it is, and the take profit at this lower red line, again, pretty much right where it is, puts us very close to a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within a candle or two it comes down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for price to be trading above that moving average like it is here. And then we are looking for a yellow bar to appear like this, that switch from the purple to the yellow. And that will be the signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop again. It's hard to see in this case. Let's just go ahead and hide price action. We're putting our stop right here at this red lower line and the take profit at the upper green line. Again, a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And within a couple bars again, we make a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades and 24 losing trades. And that's going to put us at a 52% win rate. Now, with the 1-to-1 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $600 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall gain of $1,200. So not horrible, but also not that great, especially considering how it was over about a 3-month period of time. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 45 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,600. So definitely better results. And if you use our position management strategy that we've been teaching all the patrons, the win rate would have been in the high 90% and the total gain would have been closer to the $22,000. So really better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex indicator within an hour. Just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex indicator, I've developed a second crypto scalping strategy that you can use. combined with the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, it has achieved a 100% win rate in back testing over 200 trades and counting. If you are interested in viewing that strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. You can just click on that and it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and you'll click the thumbnail that you see on screen now, which is the thumbnail to that video. And an update on the live account, we are at 14 winning trades in a row using the scalping strategy I just mentioned, the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy. 14 winning trades in a row, a 100% win rate. We are closing in on 1 month of 100% profitability and a total account gain of a little over 20% at this point. And so really great results. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We'll go ahead and put this one on the yes list and we'll move on to the next video from here.